Hi, my name is Eva Cisneros, and I'm going to be presenting the company background and the identification of the problem.
Hi, my name is Ya. I'm going to be presenting the SWOT analysis today.
Hi, my name is Paul, and I'm going to be presenting on strategic issues.
Hi, I'm Han. I'm going to be presenting strategic alternatives.
Hi, my name is Monica, and I'll be presenting on the strategic decision and implementation plan.
The founder of IKEA was born in 1926, in which 1943 he founded IKEA. In 1948, the introduction of the furniture design made by their local craftsmen was made public. In 1952, publications of IKEA's first catalog was sent out. In 1958, IKEA's grand opening in Sweden happened, and in 1995, IKEA inaugurates their first store in the United States. The acronyms of IKEA have a personal meaning to the founder. The I and the K are the founder's initials. The E stands for the first letter of the farm where he grew up, and A stands for the first letter of his hometown name. Today, IKEA has 338 states and 36 different countries, in which altogether they employ 154,000 people. They have distributed 103 million copies of their 360-page catalog through mail and in stores. They have a list of 2,300 suppliers in 67 countries. In 2003 alone, IKEA earned 12.2 billion in sales. So the question here is, should IKEA continue to modify their traditional business model to expand in the United States, or should they explore other markets?
First, we use a SWOT analysis to help us understand what's the current condition for IKEA. Talk about the strengths. IKEA has a leadership position in the global marketplace. Also, it has great brand recognition, a global sourcing supply chain network with more than 2,300 suppliers in 67 countries. 45% local and exclusive manufacturing sources, competitive pricing up to 30% less than direct competitors due to its economy of scale, constant product innovation, as well as the unique in-store experience inside the showrooms. Next part, weaknesses. Staying as a private business make IKEA hard to raise large amounts of capital, and the lot land size required for a store kind of limits store locations. In addition, the US employees are not accustomed to the IKEA's traditional management style. Last, original market niche cannot satisfy everyone due to its great cultural diversity of the US. Let's move on to the external environment. The growing demand for affordable products, transforming living conditions in developing countries, low labor costs by manufacturing in third world countries such as China and India, along with the e-commerce capabilities to serve customers outside the reach of a store, give IKEA more opportunities to expand in the future. The last part, threats. IKEA is facing strong competition from both direct and indirect competitors. Furthermore, the entry barriers imposed by foreign government regulation, highly fragmented furniture retail industry condition, high investment cost to enter a new market, together with the rising commodity and shipping prices, may have negative impacts on IKEA's development.
There are 7 factors that will slow down IKEA's success in the United States. The first factor is an unreliable supply chain. Customers would often find products within the IKEA store but would leave empty-handed because the item was not in stock. The second factor is high cultural diversity within the United States. Because people live in ethnic conclaves, word-of-mouth advertising is rendered useless. This occurs because people do not talk or associate with other cultures, limiting the type of marketing that IKEA often uses. The third factor is differing management philosophy. U.S. entry-level employees were not used to the autonomy and freedom to complete a job as they see fit. Employees need direction from supervisors, or they were unproductive. Fourth factor is American consumers have unique needs and wants. Products need to be modified and adapted so that Americans are satisfied. The fifth factor is that IKEA has not identified a target market. If a target market is not found, then marketing is less effective and oftentimes wasteful. The sixth factor is lack of marketing. Because IKEA is still not well known within the United States, it needs to consistently inform consumers of nearby store locations and available products. The seventh and final factor is store placement. Individual stores are large and need to be put in areas that have large parking spaces. Customers are inconvenienced by the lack of stores and a distance to the store.
Based on the previous analysis, we come up with three strategic alternatives. The first one is to focus IKEA's business on the developing countries. The advantages consist of great market potential, good opportunity for IKEA to find new suppliers and manufacturing companies, fewer export restrictions compared to the United States, accumulating experience for future expanding out to other countries, existing European influence in developing countries, people preferring the unit of measurements due to the metric system of some countries, low local labor costs. The disadvantages consist of high research and development cost, time-consuming process to understand the developing country's culture and spending habits, existing barriers of entry imposed by some government's regulations, loss of quality control power, and high market uncertainty. The second alternative is to continue adapting business model to fit US customers' demand. The advantages have increasing market share, improving customer satisfaction, gaining competitive edge in the United States, easier to find new infrastructure location due to new model adaptation, advertising new customized shopping experience for its shoppers, potential penetration to new market segmentations. The disadvantages consist of increasing investment in manufacturing and R&D, losing economy of scale due to its increasing diversity, losing uniformity across its worldwide retail stores, high business uncertainty, and harming the company's international brand recognition. The third alternative is to continue expanding in the United States by using the traditional business model. The advantages consist of focusing on the market analysis rather than R&D, maintaining its original modularity and furniture design, keeping price leadership with their high economy of scale power, and strong entry barriers for competitors trying to match business model. The disadvantages have difficult to find new markets on available lot land for new constructions, participative management behaviors not effective or suitable in the United States culture, furniture design appealing to a small niche of the market, opening doors for competitors to bring out innovative designs. Okay, next, let's move on to the strategic decision.
Given the different strategic alternatives, IKEA should continue to adapt their business model to fit customer demands in the United States. Currently, IKEA has been very successful and is experiencing high sales partly because of their modifications to their traditional business model. IKEA can move away from targeting a low-price market share and penetrate into the middle class who are looking for a convenient, reasonable, and high-value product. Following is our action plan. For placement, IKEA should identify potential cities to expand and adapt their business model to the community. All locations will keep the original IKEA experience, but with a glimpse of personalization. For the product, IKEA will continue to offer a wide range of stylish and functional home furnishing, and continue to develop innovative products and display them in their showrooms. New showcase products will be modified to meet customer needs. IKEA should also redevelop old products that do not meet customer standards. Under pricing, the company should continue their IKEA way and provide a quality home furnishing at low affordable prices for the conscious shopper. Yet, pricing can be recently modified to reinforce the prime quality product mix. This will help cover part of the R&D and manufacturing costs. Also, to encourage loyal customers to purchase the new product mix, IKEA can give them incentives or discounts. Finally, promoting. IKEA needs to advertise heavily through national TV and radio campaigns. Through its marketing campaign, it must create a pull strategy that will convey a need for new home furnishing that encapsulates the company's US slogan. IKEA will continue to mail out catalogs and rely on word-of-the-mouth advertising, but must convey innovative and constant furniture trend changes. Finally, early bird and in-store only special events for customers through invite only can add exclusivity and sense of prestige.
So in conclusion, IKEA's goal is to reach out to new markets across the world. In order to succeed, it's going to need to understand the key differences in each market and make appropriate adaptations.